Bail.
May it please, your lordship, my lord,
Yes,
bail,
yes.
my lord. Only on the length of detention now, my lord. At that stage, it was rejected by your lordship, my lord.
Okay.
So now, my lord, 53 days, my lord. Lordship, 63 days is a mandatory in these offences, lordship knows, my lord.
50 days.
60 days.
And
53.
they are rejected by your lordship.
Where is the rejection order?
Rejection order I have annexed, my lord. That is it. Starts from page 24, 11 portion, page 25. Paragraph 3, my lord, the allegation. Now only on the detention, my lord, and he is a local person, my lord. On any stringent condition, my lord.
Okay, then. We don't need the CD.
53 days.
Earlier it was rejected.
India has gone for lordship has gone for the case day.
Going to the
Appraisal of the
CD.
case day, lordship will reject the prayer.
Okay, then. Under your
Only
objection.
the objection, lordship.
Etu likhibason de heri annexure 3 page 24 heri paragraph number kita dia nai tumi etu likha third Mr. SM Abdullah P, Learned Counsel for the petitioner Hedayatullah.
Hedayatullah.
Baki khini eke likhi jaba paragraph 1. তাৰপিছত paragraph 2 হেৰি দি দিবা ডিপি গোস্বামী দি দিবা নামটো paragraph 3 একে
After going to the case day, lordship rejected the prayer. Materials are there, so my objection may be recorded.
ঠিক আছে paragraph 3 টো একে লিখিবা তাৰপিছত ডিক্টেশনটো লৈবা it is submitted by the learned additional PP that the petitioner is not entitled to bail. His earlier bail petition was rejected by this court after scrutinizing the case diary. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have also considered the length of detention. It appears that investigation may have presumably progressed to some extent. I have considered the submission on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. Considering all aspects, the petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amounts to the satisfaction of the
Elaka magistrate
under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number 3, the petitioner shall not leave the, you're from that Elaka, no?
Bisonat charity.
You're from that place.
Bisonat charity.
Shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission on breach of any of the bail conditions. The court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner.
Oblige, your lord.
May I please,
Yes,
Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, this is second time bail application.
103 is there.
103 as
So
well
we need the
as
CD.
5.
Call for the CD, list
My
the
lord, in-
matter on.
My humble submission that petitioner number 1 is the first time here petitioner. He is accused.
We'll need the
on-
CD.
His admission is pending due to this
No.
case.
We'll need the CD, this is 103.
103
For the CD list.
and
the
earlier
matter.
occasion lordship has done
After how
appraisal of the
many-
case
how
diary.
many days? 2 weeks?
Yes.
2 weeks, list, 2 weeks of data. List the matter on 2 weeks, Adipra. 25th.
Well.
25th to 10, 11 days, 28 koi diya. Exactly 2 weeks ago. 28. 28. Hey, Ben, already. It doesn't vote for us. This is that mediation drive, no?
Yes.
Taken up by the Nalsa and Supreme Court, patron in chief. So
I am for the petition, Your Honor.
we'll send it to the mediation.
Yes, sir.
Both the parties are represented. Learned Counsel Mr.
Endas.
Endas is present on behalf of the petitioner and Learned Counsel Mr.
R. Sharma for respondent number 3.
Huh?
R. Sharma for respondent number 3.
R. Sama is private respondent.
No, I'm for the insurance company.
Insurer, learned counsel, Mr. M. Sharma is present for the insurer, respondent number 3. This matter is sent for mediation to the High Court.
I could mediation.
I couldn't.
High Court Mediation Center. This is the correct nomenclature. High Court Mediation Center for mediation, and and a report is to be submitted on the mediation after 1 month, after 4 weeks.
Okay.
After 4 weeks.
Like.
Itu? Oh, along with us, Aniki. Oh, okay, 3 or 4 একেলগে কৰি দিবা হা
3 and 4, I am also appearing.
ও এটাৰ নামটো দি দিবা সৰ আদি চৌধুৰী না আদি
মজুমদাৰ।
মজুমদাৰ আদি মজুমদাৰ লিখি দিবা number 3 or 4 you're for the insurer.
Yes, there were 2 vehicles, 1 insurance.
Okay, this is 5.
Item 5, your lordship.
I'm also for the.
Learned counsel Mr.
A das, your lordship.
A Das is present for the applicant stroke appellant, and learned counsel Ms. R.D. Mozumdar is present for the insurer. Respondent number, respondent number. Insurer respondent লিখি দিয়ে সাইডে লিখি দিবা ফাৰ্ষ্টৰ পৰা respondent number. Respondent number 3. This case is also forwarded. This case is also not. This case is forwarded for mediation to the High Court Mediation Center. And a report is to be submitted. And a report on mediation is to be submitted after 4 weeks.
That would be 2 months, my lord, because I don't have contact with the client, your lordship. And so
2 weeks.
Let me after 1 month,
2 weeks will be very short.
4, 5, 1 month, your lord, after 1 month.
After 4 weeks.
Yes,
4 weeks is
4
1
weeks, your
month,
lordship.
4 weeks.
I try to contact the client, your lord. Much obliged.
Else, Lordship, the mediation center can send notices in
That
other
can also be
regular
done, your lordship.
cases, Lordship. The mediation center sends notices to the parties
Yes.
and they fix a date
Okay.
so that it is easier that way.
Your lordship, record that will be easier, lordship.
You want a direction from this court?
Yes, your lordship. The mediation center, because I don't have any contact with the client, your lordship, as on date.
Mediation, the mediation center, the mediation center to issue notices to the
Appellant applicant, your lordship.
to the appellant applicant,
Yes.
And respondents also, though I will inform
to the parties, to the parties.
the parties,
the
your
parties.
Much obliged, your lordship. Thank you. very much.
Highly obliged.
Five to
Lordship, we are for the appellant lordship in this case.
Mm.
Here are,
So both are agreeing to send it to the mediation center, both parties?
lordship, through insurance companies are there, we are held, it's 70% liable, other companies held 30% liable. So they are not agreeing to.
For mediation.
Yes, because
If there is no element of settlement, then we must not send it. For referral to special mediation draft coordination, so I'll pass an order in that manner. No element of settlement.
Not actually, the appeal is filed by the insurance company.
Mm.
I am also representing one of the insurance companies in this case.
Mm.
Basically, one of the liability was apportioned between the two insurance companies.
Contributory negligence.
Yeah. That is why the appeal has been filed. They are denying their extent of liability.
You are denying
we are held
Extent of
70% liable.
extent of liability, my lord.
extent of liability.
Yes, but as
50%,
We have been made liable for
70%,
30%.
50% you are.
we are 70%, lordship. So we are challenging that aspect, lordship.
So
So
on
there's no element of settlement.
it is not on the quantum, my lord. So
There are other issues also.
other issues are not
All right.
changing on it.
Alright.
Both
First-
these companies, my lord,
Hardly any
if the
scope for-
50% if they, because head-on collision was
But they
there.
are not willing to settle, you see? You are the
Our
claimant.
part, we have already satisfied the judgment. As far as our part is concerned, my lord, we have satisfied the judgment.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
AJ Saikia.
AJ Soikia for the appellate, learned counsel, Mr. Here,
BK Jain.
BK Jain, for the
BK Jain.
claimant,
Yes, ma'am.
for the claimant,
Respondent 1 and 2, claimant.
for the claimants.
Mediation.
And learned counsel, Mr.
He got it now.
T. Kulta, for the
Number five.
respondent number 5.
Five.
Full stop. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that there is no element of settlement. And this case may not be forwarded for mediation. The learned counsel is willing to, the learned counsel on behalf of the appellant has submitted that the appellants are willing to contest this proceeding. All right?
Possibly, and the other company is not ready to
As
take
the,
pardon.
as the insurer, what is the name of the insurance
Respondent
company?
Issue number 5.
As
Bajaj
the appellant
Allianz.
number 5 is not willing to concede to the
Apportionment.
to concede to the apportionment suggested by the claimant and the appellant. On the ground of technicalities, full stop. As there is no element of settlement, this case is not forwarded for mediation. Ready to release this matter. This is for hearing.
My lord, the office note is there on 13 June 25, my lord. The case is pending adjudication for service report or respondent 3 and 4, my lord. For 3 and 4, service is not yet completed. my lord.
Okay.
So
Ready
they
to
may be
release this
directed-
matter in its usual course. Not in its usual course, it will be very late, I think. Ready to release this matter in the orders column.
Yes, ma'am.
It will come up in the orders column.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2 weeks.
Meanwhile, they may be directed to take fresh step. The service is not yet been completed, my lord, for respondent 3 and 4.
We'll await the.
Yes, my lord.
We will await service report on respondent, as service report on respondent number, continue kora. As service report on respondent number 2 and 3 is awaited.
3 and 4.
3 and 4 is awaited.
Problem.
Much.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, in this case, service is not complete in respect of respondent number 5. We'd like to take fresh steps upon respondent number 5 to dusty service.
Okay, complainant. You are claimant,
Appellant, Lordship.
appellant. Learned counsel, Miss
M. Saitya, Lordship.
M. Sekia. On behalf of whom?
R. Goswami.
On behalf of learned counsel, Mr. R. Goswami is present for the appellant. Full stop. The appellant may take fresh steps to issue notice to the respondent number
5.
to
Dusty service, Lordship.
routed through dusty service. List after 2, 3,
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay.
Oblaze, Lordship.
With your lordship. Lordship, in this case, notice has been served for respondent 1. And for 2 and 3, lordship, AD card has not been received. So I may be allowed to take steps for paper publication. For respondent 2 and 3.
Learned counsel, Mr. Your name?
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma has submitted, has submitted that he may be allowed to take steps to respondent number 2 and 3
2 and 3 for paper publication.
to paper publication. Full stop. Appellant may take steps to issue notice to respondent number 2 and 3 through paper publication.
Respondent number 1 notice has been served, lordship.
Notice, office note dated.
Office note, lordship, there is no reflection, but if lordship may see like A, respondent 1 herself, she has received the notice.
Okay.
BB
Yes.
Bora.
The acknowledgement marked at flag A received the acknowledgement dated 18/3/2020 marked at flag A. At flag A, marked at no, at flag A reflects that respondent number 1, Srimati BB Bora. Srimati
BB Bora.
BB Bora has received, has affixed a signature on the acknowledgement of the notice. Notice is thus served on respondent number 1. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, a date of appearance may be required
Yes.
for paper of obligation. After 4 weeks,
Yes,
any
yes.
date.
List this matter on. বহুত দেৰি হ'ব নেকি? Oh, other 1 month, yes. You will require for
Lordship.
paper publication. 14th of August, yes.
Apply, Lordship.
May it please the
Hmm.
Lordship. Lordship, in this case, respondent number 1 has expired. We'll need to file substitution petition.
Okay. একে নাম লিখি দিবাচোন, learned counsel Miss M.
M. Saikia, Lordship.
M. Soikia, on behalf of learned counsel Mr. R. Goswami has submitted that the respondent number 1 has passed away
Expired, yes, Lordship.
and has submitted for time to file an application for substitution of legal heirs.
Yes, Lordship.
To submit this matter on after 2 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
I'll list this matter after 4 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
Wait, this is an application for pre-years bail of the accused. The other is at page. Page 17.
Page 17.
This application is filed for the second time, and your lordship was pleased to call for the CD.
Lordship, we have received the CD, but it is not updated. Lordship, last update is Lordship 21/3/25. And after rejection, it is not updated, so we have to update the CD also.
Your lordship will kindly allow me to go on. I'm a government officer, I'm a community health officer, and I'll report every day, man. I undertake to.
Okay, I'll go to the CD and pass an order then.
So this is earlier Lordship, on the basis of this CD, Lordship has rejected the CD.
On the same CD.
Lordship.
So what are the change of circumstances now?
Change of circumstance, my lord, my wife is 6 months pregnant now. That
Oh,
is,
this case is under, that murder case.
That's a murder case.
it
okay,
was not a
person died,
murder case.
Lordship.
Let us send back the, we'll call for the up-to-date CD.
Lordship.
Send back the CD as the CD is not up to date. Call for the up-to-date CD, list the matter on.
It's from Rota.
Huh?
From Rota, Chariali.
Rota. A minimum 10 days will be required.
On 25th.
It will go and it will come back, huh?
28 Lordship.
28? On 28.
Not so.
28/7.
20. Much.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I want to order the petition, lordship. I don't want to.
Okay. Learned counsel, Mr.
I Islam.
I Islam has paid for withdrawal of the petition part. Mr. P.S. Law for learning additional 50 Assam. Petition is dismissed on withdrawal. Okay.
Of like.